I've had it on for about 10 minutes trying to let it warm up, but there has been no steam produced by this machine. I mean, I like the design and everything. I had a Shark steam mop that worked beautifully. I really wanted to upgrade to this one for the handheld cleaning attachments because I love those. But all this thing does is make this noise. That's just all it does. No steam. Yeah. And if I take this off and I push the button, and that's where you affix the attachments to. Sorry, it's blurry. Just this noise again. That's all it has done for the past 10 minutes or so. So I guess I just have to say that this is a huge disappointment. Oh well. I think I'll go back to my Shark steam mop and then just get a separate handheld device. I hate to have more than one when this is such a good idea, but obviously it just doesn't work. So this was the first Hoover product I've ever purchased, and I don't know, I can't say that I'm super impressed. I really, really wish that it had worked. Anyway, I hope this is helpful to someone.
But now, I'm very afraid. Like, if we were ever, like, sitting around the road, what do you think?
We're talking about it now.
Steam is no coming.